Ready for medical career growth? Yes, you are in the right place. Hello, this is Dr. Neema Bish, BDS by degree and a pharma professional. As a founder of CareerInPharma, our mission is to guide medical professionals towards remarkable success in the pharma industry. With a track record of over 700 plus students trained and placed into various premier pharma companies, we are here to elevate your journey. Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to Career in Pharma. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about SUGAM Portal. Now in this video, I am going to cover what exactly is SUGAM Portal in India inside CDSCO and what is the use of SUGAM Portal. And also this is one of the important interview question. If you are going to give interview for profile names such as project coordinator, clinical trial coordinator or clinical research coordinator and even clinical research associate also. So if you are going to give interview for these profile, then definitely along with clinical trial basics, you should be knowing end-to-end information about SUGAM Portal. Yes, so let's begin the video, and also I will take you through the website SUGAM Portal, where I will show you what all tabs there inside this portal, what all use you can use this portal for what all purpose. Yes. So before I share my screen, let me tell you what is SUGAM Portal. Now SUGAM Portal is a portal. SUGAM is a Hindi word. It means making anything easy, SUGAM. So that is the real meaning, and it's a Hindi word. Name of this portal is SUGAM. And this is the portal which is maintained by CDSCO. Now CDSCO is nothing but Drug Regulatory Authority Body of India. The full form is Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. Now as we all know, for any country, if they want to run a clinical trial, they want to manufacture any drug, they want to run clinical trial on any drug, they pharma companies, they should take permission, take authority from these regulatory authority body, and after their approval only, these companies can run clinical trial or related to drug. If any thing they want, they need to take approval from these drug regulatory authority bodies. So for India country, the drug regulatory authority body is CDSCO. So this SUGAM portal in India is maintained by CDSCO, and the SUGAM portal plays a crucial role in the submission and processing of application related to clinical trials. Now this is not just related to clinical trials, into many other approvals also SUGAM portal is in use. Now the CDSCO has implemented the SUGAM portal to streamline and to digitize various regulatory processes associated with clinical trials and manufacturing and marketing of the drug, which includes clinical trial definitely, and there are many other processes as well. Now there are some key use of this SUGAM portal in India for clinical trial. Yes. So like I already said, if you are going to give interview for clinical research coordinator or clinical trial coordinator, specifically in India, in any company in India, then definitely you need to know what is SUGAM portal. Yes. So there are some key uses of this portal. Let's see what are these uses. Now first use of this portal is clinical trial application submission. Means whenever any pharma company, they want to run a clinical trial in India on Indian population, first they need to register themselves in this portal, and they need to submit this clinical trial application into this portal. So SUGAM portal allows a sponsor, means the pharma companies, and the investigators, means the principal investigators of any specific study. So this SUGAM portal allows a sponsor and principal investigator to submit application for conducting clinical trials, which includes submission of essential documents, study protocol, clinical trial protocol, and other relevant information required for regulatory review. So other than this, whatever other documents are required for CDSCO to review the process. Those regulatory documents the sponsor, principal investigator has to submit. Now, second key use is electronic data submissions. Okay, so nowadays, as we all know, so much use of technology is there in each and every field. Here also, for clinical trial and drug regulations, everything has been streamlined now with the use of electronic data submissions. So this SUGAM portal facilitates the electronic submission of the data documents related to clinical trial. Now this moves toward digitization helps in reducing paperwork. It increases efficiency and it ensures data accuracy. Yes. Other key uses tracking of application. Now whenever the PI, principal investigator, sponsors, they are submitting document for clinical trial, then after submitting they can track their application as well. So applicants can track the status of their clinical trial applications through this SUGAM portal. So this feature provides transparency and allows the stakeholders to monitor the progress of their applications, progress of their submissions. So yeah, overall it provides efficiency, streamline, and definitely transparency. Now the fourth key use of this portal is communication and correspondence. Yeah. See, pharma companies, the sponsor, they can't go to hospital or to CDSCO directly each and every time. So there are many features inside this portal where these sponsors, pharma companies, principal investigators, they can communicate and correspond with these regulatory authority bodies. So yes, this portal may serve as a platform for communication between applicants and the regulatory authorities. Notifications, queries, response related to clinical trial application process can be managed through this SUGAM portal. Other key uses regulatory review. Now, regulatory authorities such as CDSCO utilize this portal to review and evaluate the clinical trial application. So, everything is happening through this portal itself. Starting from application submission, then review of that application, tracking of that application, everything happening through this SUGAM portal only. So the electronic format allows for more standardizations and streamlining the entire review process. Other key uses, issuance of permissions and approvals. So once the regulatory review is done for any applications, the SUGAM portal may be used for issuing permissions and approvals. Everything can be done online through the SUGAM portal. Start from filling the application form, submitting, review, tracking till getting the full approval to run a clinical trial or to market any drug. So all these applications start from initiation of clinical trials can be done in India with the help of the SUGAM portal, which you can find in CDSCO website. Now it's important to note that the features and functionality of the SUGAM portal may evolve over time, and there may be many updates or changes since my last knowledge and update. So to stay updated and with the current knowledge, always you should be checking the official CDSCO website, or you should contact CDSCO directly to get the latest update. Yes. Now here I will walk you through the SUGAM portal as well, how you can find it, where you can find it, and other than this, what all features are there inside this portal. Yeah, so here is my window, and just I will type SUGAM portal. Okay, so here we go, SUGAM portal. You can see. Okay, so I will be little more specific in my search. Actually, I typed this SUGAM portal. I will type CDSCO. So we have to be very specific in our keywords nowadays, because you all know, right? So many things are there. So you have to be very specific in your keywords. So here I am going to start with this, because this is the government website, CDSCO online gov.in CDSCO. So let's see what is there inside this portal. Yeah, just a second. So this is Central Drug Standard Control. As I said, this portal is maintained by CDSCO, so you can find inside CDSCO website. So this is CDSCO homepage, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, the Drug Regulatory Authority Body of India. Here you can find. Now let me tell you that again, whenever you are going to give interview for clinical trial coordinator or clinical research coordinator, please don't forget to open this website and check what all things or anything latest is there inside this website. Many of the things you will learn through this website as well. Now let me walk you through this website. So Central Drug Standard Control Organization, you can see it's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. SUGAM is an e-governance solution for CDSCO to make everything efficient, fast, standardization. Yeah, uniformity should be there, data accuracy should be there. That's why this has come up in picture for clinical trial. Now you can just check out this is their homepage. See, SUGAM online licensing, you can see right here we can submit application, track status of application, then grant of permission, approval, license, NOC, and if you want any amendment also like protocol amendment, maybe any study amendment, maybe any change in clinical trial site, maybe increasing the number of clinical trial centers, sites, all kind of amendments, you can just get approval through this portal. Other than this, there are many other things. You can see, you can just pay the fees and start doing the things. Even for BA/BE applications, you can apply online through this portal. Apply online for test license applications as well. Here, medical device and diagnostics also you can do through SUGAM Portal. Online solution for application submission, processing and grant of permission for medical device and diagnostics. So it's not just drug or clinical trial related to drug. It can be medical device and diagnostic as well. See, even for cosmetics, registrations for cosmetics also comes under SUGAM Portal. Yes. So there are so many things. Yeah. SUGAM online licensing, how to do it. Yes, you can raise your query as well online. Yeah, so registration open for ethics committee. Even there is something called ethics committee. So if you are going to give interview for clinical research coordinator, you should be knowing what is ethics committee, what actually this committee do, what are different team members in this committee. So you can do registration of ethics committee also in our hospital. Let's say you are going to run any clinical trial at your hospital or site. So ethics committee registration on the behalf of hospital, you can also go for that. Yeah, so these are all the people inside ethics committee: chairperson, member secretary, social scientists, clinicians, yes, laymen, supporting staff, legal expert. So through this you will get recent update. Yeah. Other than this, you can see apply online for new drug, NDA, subsequent new drug, INDA applications also you can apply online through SUGAM Portal. Even fixed dose combination, FDC. For this also, if any company want to bring any FDC, fixed dose combination in market, for that also you can apply. Yes. Other than this, blood bank license, that also. Dual use NOCs. Yeah. State FDA manufacturing site approval, for that also this SUGAM Portal is there. Online for vaccines, apply online for vaccines. Yes. Registration open for clinical trial, that I already told you. So many use are there of SUGAM. So please don't forget to check out this SUGAM Portal. Definitely for your basic understanding, what all approvals we need, where to register for clinical trial and NDA, INDA, NDA, manufacturing, that you should be knowing. Device also coming under this, cosmetics also. Now I will take you through one section, downloads. You can get many important documents through this download. Documents which will help you in interview preparation also, and yeah, to get the basic understanding as well. For example, if I open this SAE user manual, you can see this SAE user manual is such a beautiful document, and definitely it is the latest one, all latest changes in any timelines if you want to see. See, usually the serious adverse event reporting timelines usually don't change so much. I mean, it's not like that 1 month is something different, next month something different. But yeah, whatever latest changes are there, you can get through this SUGAM Portal also. So here, this SAE reporting on SUGAM Portal, how you can do it. What are the recent timelines, standard Latest timeline. See, first of all, what is SAE? Journal SAE reporting policy. Time frame, recipient, process flow. So such a lovely document it is. SAE reporting 24 hours. How you have to do. SAE reporting 14 days. 14-day report by sponsor. 30-day report. How to go about it. Okay, so many important things are there. Here you can also find a very lovely flow chart. See, this is clinical trial SAE reporting monitoring. How you have to do. Okay, sponsor to clinical trial NOC, then ethics committee. So this is flow chart, very important. Process flow for SAE reporting. So if you know this document, if you understand this document, definitely half of your interview preparation done for clinical research profile. Trust me guys, for clinical research profile. See, this is something called site investigator registration. Yes. So these kind of forms are there where you have to report SAE through this portal as well. So very important document this is. Now I will go back to the slide. So this was SAE online user manual, how to go about it. See, if I open this new drug and clinical trial rules to go through the rules. Also you can open this and just have a look with the latest rule, latest changes. Yeah, notified bodies users manual. What is this? They have some error in this page. Yeah, how to import non-registered drugs for personal use in India, form 12A. What is this? So many information. See, online process for import of drugs means if you want to bring any drugs from outside, right? Export of drugs for personal use. Let's say any drug is there which you want, which is not available in India. You want it, let's say from US. How to go about it? Online process for import of the drug. Then all the process are there. Form 12A application, personal information, product details, preview, check your application. So each and everything is there inside this SUGAM portal. So the idea behind this is that through this portal, you can get to know about definitely clinical trial basics, understanding of this portal, understanding of the entire process of clinical trial in India, and definitely a good interview preparation for clinical research coordinator and clinical trial coordinator. So I hope this video helped you in understanding what is SUGAM, how you can use this portal for your learning, for your understanding, and for your interview process. So I hope this video helped you, this information helped you in all ways. And if you really like this content, if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to share it with your friends who are looking for same kind of information. Yes, and please comment below if you have any doubt related to this portal. Yeah. So we'll be coming soon with some fresh video. Till the time I come again, till that time, please stay safe, aware, healthy, updated, and keep exploring new things. Have a nice day. Bye.